In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. I'm just gonna clean all this to start. Next step, I'm gonna grab a paint scraper and get all of the loose paint off of this. Now I'm gonna cut out some of this old caulking, so we're gonna put some new in there. This little tab right here is just from the factory, so I'm gonna chisel that off, make that flat, so when I caulk this in, it looks nicer. I'm gonna take some 80 grit sandpaper, and I just wanna rough this surface up and wherever I wanna use the Bondo. Probably just gonna do this entire sill. As per the directions, you can take out about a 3-inch diameter by 1/2-inch thick clump of this stuff, and I will add a strip. And now what I want to do is try and get a nice uniform mix. I'm going to take my Bondo and start applying it nice and even over this entire sill. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes and this looks okay. You can see right here there's like some divots, and I could definitely do a second coat here. It all depends on how perfect you want this finish. I'm gonna try and get away with just doing one coat. I'll just sand this all out, make it smooth, and I'm just gonna be careful on the edge here, try and get that same round edge that was there before. I'm gonna take a tack cloth to clean up any of this dust. I am going to use this Zinsser cover stain, oil-based primer. Stuff works great. Just do a thin coat on this sill. Put this on real thin so I don't get crazy brush strokes. Try to spread this out. I am gonna sand it before I actually paint it too. You're supposed to let it dry for about 2 hours. I think in about an hour, I can sand it out and do some caulking and paint, and I should be fine.